New Yorkers demanding answers and action after the state's attorney general shows nursing home deaths were much higher than originally detailed by the state.
Someone has to be held responsible, and we've got to get to the bottom of this.
New York City Councilman Ulrich has been very vocal in sounding the alarm from the beginning. After losing several friends in nursing homes and hearing from his constituents, he realized the numbers weren't adding up. Now his suspicions have seemingly been confirmed.
Numerous mistakes made and bad policy decisions that were made that directly resulted in the deaths of thousands of New Yorkers who didn't have to die. And then the governor tried to cover that up.
Here's what happened. Back in the summer, there was talk that the number of nursing home deaths attributed to COVID-19 could be much higher than the state was reporting. That's because nursing home residents who died in hospitals were not being counted. Governor Cuomo dodged these critics for months, but last week, State Attorney General Letitia James, who is a Democrat, released a scathing report after a long investigation that began with multiple complaints of COVID-related neglect. That forced health department officials to release their closely held data, contributing thousands of new deaths to nursing home totals, about 45% higher than the original number. Many angry over a lack of transparency. The report also bringing up a highly criticized early pandemic decision by Cuomo, forcing nursing homes to accept COVID-positive patients. Now, the governor denied any undercount, taking issues with the AG's findings, his response fueling the fire.
Whether a person died in a hospital or died in a nursing home, it's the people died.
His health commissioner, Howard Zucker, reminding people the number of deaths hasn't changed. It's where they happened.
Reporting the number of deaths is always the hardest number to report out there, and we wanted to be sure that those numbers were accurate.
Now attention has been turned towards next steps.
The fact that the governor engaged in this cover-up, people should be outraged. There needs to be a full-fledged investigation. And somebody has to be held responsible for this.
The White House said they'll decide if a Department of Justice investigation on the matter will take place. There have been calls for Cuomo's health commissioner to resign, while Attorney General James continues to investigate at least 20 nursing homes of particular concern. Emily Drewby, Currents News.
If you're watching Currents News on YouTube, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to get updates to all of our newest content, because we are putting your faith in the news.